So in these past few days, some of my friends were asking me about how to change your name on PUBG Mobile. Mm, so I decided to make a video on how to change your name on PUBG Mobile and how to make it stylish. I don't want to waste your time, guys, so let's start the video, right? Okay, so changing your name is not hard, it's pretty simple. But making it stylish, it's a little bit complicated. I'll teach you how to do that. You choose which one you want to copy, and then you go to their profile, and then you copy it. You copy their name. Wait, I will show you. Yeah. After you go to their profile, you copy their name. Yes. Okay. After you do that, you go to your inventory, and then you take the ID and you just change your name. You have to paste it and then add your name, which type of name you want to add it. Okay, I decided to add Frosty, but let me tell you, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because I had too many. I added too many letters. It only supports, see, I think 9 letters or something, maybe. Why did I push that button? I made a lot of mistakes, but I mean, you get it, right? You just copy the name and then you paste it on your okay, you just paste it and then you add your name. I tried so many times but it doesn't work. I just do it again. Then I tried Coco and then boy, still it doesn't work because it only fits 3 letters. But let me tell you guys, before you choose your name, yeah, you better think twice. I regret choosing my name. Okay, so this one also doesn't, like all my name doesn't fit there. And this one actually fits. Well, some of my friends were curious about my name, DMG. What does that even mean? Because it's like almost every account I used to add DMG Kings, Dave MG Kings and all those stuff. So let me tell you something. If my channel reached 1000 subscribers, I will reveal my name, bro. So you better go and slap that like button and share it with your friends. Remember, name reveal. So you better subscribe right now if you haven't subscribed. And if you are already subscribed, thank you guys, and keep watching. Thank you so much for helping me. Well, I hope you guys have learned something from watching this video, and if you feel like you have learned something, then please help me by subscribe to my channel, like this dude is helping me right before I'm about to die. Yay! So good, right? Thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe. Peace. Thank you so much. For the first time in forever.